Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yumnanita Putri Dandi, and now I would like to check the normality of the data here. As we can see, there are creativity of English department and non-English department. So let's check it by SPSS. First is we can go to the SPSS and go to the variable view. After that, we can go to the name here. First, we can put it like X here and Y here. And then the decimal, we can go with 0. Same, 0. For the label, we can go with English department and non-English department here. For the measure here, we can go with scale. Okay. After that, we can go to the data and data view here, and we can copy the data from the Excel. First is the English department. It is until 46 here. Let's copy it and put it here. Okay, and then for the non-English department here is the same, 46. So let's just copy it and put it on this one like this. Okay, after we done putting the data, we can go to analyze here, and we can go to the descriptive statistics, explore here, and then put it two of this one to dependent list like this. After that, we can check the statistic first. The percentage here, we can click it and continue. For the option here, plots. For the plots, we can go with normality plot with test and histogram here. We can click it too. So continue after this, and let's okay. Okay, here we can see the data, the result of the data here. Cache processing summary, descriptive, percentiles here, and this one is the main data that we need is the test of normality. So if the significant is more than 0.05, it is normal, and if it's below 0.05, it is not normal. So here we can see for the ED one, the English department one, the significant for Kolmogorov Smirnov is more than 0.05, but the other one, like the non-English department here and the English department, but in Shapiro, it is not more than 0.05, so it is below. So we can conclude that the data is not normal. And after this, we can go to Mann Whitney analysis, because the result is not normal. The data is not normal. So after this, we can continue to Mann Whitney test. Okay. Back to the SPSS, the data set, and we want to know the Whitney U result, right? So we go to this name. The name is, we can change it into, for example, this one is score, this one is department, this one is score, and this one is ED and non-ED department. This one, non-ED department. Right? So next we can go to the value here. The value labels, we can put it like this one. The number 1 is for English department, for example, like this. And the value number 2 is for non-English department. You can go like this. We can add it. After we add this one, we can click OK. And we can change the data here. The data here, before is the non-English department score, right? But here we can put it on the below of English department score. So we can continue it in 46 here. Okay, after we done it, after we plan and we continue the data here until 92, the department here we can like this. We put number 1 for the English department. Okay, so number 1 is for English department. Okay, we can click it like this until 46. Okay, continue it until 46. Yeah. Okay. Like this, we can continue it to 46. Okay, for the 47 to below to under, it's number 2, which is non-English department. So we can put it like the code as the value before. Number 1 is for English department and number 2 is for non-English department. This we can copy it until it's done. Okay, here we can paste it. Okay, right, until 72 it's done. So move to the analysis. Right, so first we can analyze it by click analyze here, click non-parametric test here, legacy dialogs here, and go to independent samples here, and the score we can put it on variable list, and the department we can put it on grouping variable. And it is, the test type is Mann Whitney U. First we can check the option first. It is, the statistic is like this. We can continue. We can define group. Group 1 is for 1, group 2 is for 2, continue. After that we can okay, we can click OK. So here is the result of the Mann Whitney youth task. I already moved it to the Word file. First we can see here is descriptive statistic. There are n, there are mean, there are minimum, maximum, there are median. Next is ranks. There are n mean ranks and summary of ranks. The last is the statistic, which is the most important result here that we can get. First is Mann Whitney U, Wilcoxon W, Z, and asymmetric here. So first we would like to check the R value first. So our analysis is completed. So here I already counted in calculator that the Z1 is 746. I already provided here and divided with the n, here the n, and the result is here 0.07. So it can be concluded that R value is more than 5, which is have the large effect. Next analysis that we can provide is a Mann Whitney youth test revealed there is no significant difference in the creativity of English department with the N 46 and non-English department with the N of 46 also. And the U is 962.500 and the Z is minus 746 and the R is 0.07. So I think that's all for my analysis on the normality test and the Mann Whitney youth test. Thank you so much for watching. I apologize if there's any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.